Tuesday, we get different categories of foods and from different states or countries or towns or
and we try different foods. So we are going to be trying the Caribbean food today. How you like me now? So
I have something to ask you guys. Where are you from?
That's the question of the day.
I'm so excited to try this.
So the first thing I'm going to choose
try this
is this. So this is hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. So it is a biscuit and it's chocolate, a chocolate type of biscuit.
It's kind of like a biscuit cookie.
Better than go. So don't play with scissors, kids.
That's it.
Ooh, 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 you ain't be able to do it. Nope.
They did not put in a tray. It's like a cookie.
Yes, it is a cookie. It's a biscuit. So it looks like this.
It smells really. It smells
like chocolate.
It smells like dog's biscuit. Dog chocolate.
No, it just smells like a chocolate bar, but it's biscuit.
So in 1, 2, 3, try it.
It tastes good.
It tastes like a the brown part, the black part of the Oreos, that's what this tastes like. You can make an Oreo out of this.
No. Yeah.
I wanted to choose this since we got this stuff. So, I'm so excited. I'm so happy.
Of course, I know what she wants to try. Yeah.
I was so excited when we got this. I was talking about it like all the time.
Right here. We will be trying one fruit bun. This is a new snack.
Yeah, that's
a little snack.
It's like a snack you could bring to school. Let's take a little piece, and I was so excited.
Oh.
It was stinks.
It would smell like a type of bread.
It does.
What's that bread?
And 1, 2, 3, try. Nasty. It's not as good as.
This is Caribbean Dreams Jamaican pumpkin soup. See? Pumpkin soup. That pumpkin soup. So, wait,
I got it.
That pumpkin soup. 1, 2, 3. Tastes good.
I don't know.
It tastes good.
It tastes like.
Get it aside.
It just tastes like a regular soup. Tambourine ball candy. I'm not excited for this. It might be really good. Who knows? Oh, I need something to spit out. Okay. I'm just trying. Here, you could take a piece out of that. Okay.
Wait. Oh, why is it so soft? 1, 2, 3.
Just knew that was okay.
So,
actually, we have to keep it in our mouth for like I think.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, I'm gonna get a different piece. Yo, it tastes.
Yeah, it tastes
like lemons.
Yeah, but it's more sour than a lemon.
No.
So the next thing I want to try is what to choose, what to choose, what to choose. This.
Oh, I want it.
Okay, so
I'm gonna finish after this video. Those biscuits. I'm saving those for school.
Hey, all of them. Not all of them. Because it smells amazing. It smells like.
These are lost now.
Well, I cannot explain what it smells like. So, one more. One little birdie going in the tree.
And one little birdie staring at me.
Okay. Are you ready?
No. I think you just did.
Oh. One little birdie, two little birdie, one little birdie looking at me. Ready?
Ready, set.
It tastes like sugar water.
Yeah. And it tastes like sugar water. I don't like it that much. Guanabana.
Guanabana.
Guanabana. So, what should I choose? This is
The
chicken soup.
chicken.
Spicy chicken soup mix. No.
Spicy?
Yep. And it also has vegetables in it. So,
Let's dig in. Look at them.
Okay. Ready?
Wait.
Steady. Go.
Wait.
It smells like Somerset soup.
Ready, set, go. Tastes good.
But the only problem for me, the noodles are a bit too soft. But still,
No, it's good. And now the last thing is the cookie.
it just tastes like Somerset soup.
So let's cut it.
It's a biscuit, not a cookie. Eating biscuit. Let's go eat a biscuit. A biscuit. Let's eat a biscuit. It just flew over there.
Oh, it's... So,
This one is not vanilla. Because the blue
Yes,
bag was vanilla.
so this is...
Ew. It smells like sweet potatoes. But it's
Oh.
ginger. Ginger.
Yeah, it's ginger. It's like vanilla. No, it's like ginger.
on my tongue.
So that's the end of this video, guys.
I was so excited for this bread. I wish you guys could smell it.
I was so excited for this pumpkin soup, and it turned out just how I like.
Bye, guys.